Among the disloyal, barren strife pleases me well, and let there be no peace nor any accord made there. And when one has vexation, let the other have grief to bear. And when one is built, let the other tear down his shell. And when one is ill-bested, let the other be dead or arrested. And it pleases me of a base baron when he spends and wastes away till he is high up on God's balance and must pay, and cares not if his pomp and pride must end one day. So he has neither wheat nor wine nor bread nor dough's array nor bacon nor salted meat, but let him eat and shit and go, the rent of a whole year in a row. And then let him swallow his own dung, and so by death be overtaken and lay low.